Hi, welcome to the registry. This video will show you how to find your registry ID number. First, log in using your email and your password. The welcome page has my registry ID number. You can also access it from the upper right-hand drop-down menu from your name. Click Edit Profile. The first line of your profile is your registry ID number. You can also access your profile in My Tools and Settings under My Profile. Click on Return Home to see all the registry tools, including where to update your profile, membership card, and education and training report, all of which have the registry ID number on them. Thank you for being part of a community of over 120,000 ACE professionals. The work you do is important, and we are here to help.